Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 20th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day, and the Euro-US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the Euro dollar, make sure you check out the video from this morning, linked over here. So interest rate news definitely caused a very significant break of structure. It is very clear at this point, because of the break of structure especially, and the 1, 2, 3 waves down, that this is the end of a correction, and this probably confirms that big wave 3 that I was talking about on the weekly and monthly time frame for the last month or two. Definitely looking for longs, definitely not trying to go long now. I would have to see a proper pullback on the shorter time frames before I was willing to jump on this trade again. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, we are definitely approaching some support level here in the past. You would think that a pullback would be likely. I personally would not even think about going short. I would also not even think about going long right now. The strategy is really to be holding on to a long position and waiting for an exit. If it does make a pullback, which we don't even really know if it will at this point, it could possibly drift up more throughout Asia. If it does make a pullback, then I would definitely go long at that point for the continuation of the uptrend. I would have to see a proper pullback and probably even a break of structure to the downside on like the 5-minute time frame, and then a nice three-way pattern to the downside before I was willing to take a long opportunity. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to take a look at my website linked down here below. As always, thanks and happy trading.